We all have an idea of our perfect dream home. Regardless of your home's maintenance, upkeep, and repair projects, it can seem like a never-ending chore.
Hi everyone, I'm Olga Villaverde, and in my neighborhood, we all agreed to eliminate gas-powered lawn and garden tools to reduce the noise and the pollution because it's so annoying. Battery technology has come so far, and it's improved so much in the last few years. They're safer, easier to use, and more environmentally friendly than gas-powered tools. So that's why it's my mission today to help my new neighbors pick up innovative, sustainable tools that will help them maintain their home. So let's go say hello. Ginger and Scott, you made such a great decision to move into this neighborhood. We switched to battery-powered tools, and they just make this area just quiet, peaceful, so necessary.
So no more waking up Saturday morning?
She hates it.
In fact, I've got some great tools that I recommend, the latest innovations. You want to check them out?
Let's do it.
For 20 years, Greenworks has been at the forefront of sustainable innovation in cordless technology for home, DIY, and recreation. Greenworks' primary mission is to build a more powerful future with clean energy.
So I'm absolutely loving this backyard. It's nice and big, but I would think a lot of work for you.
Oh yeah. We have the cypress trees that are always dropping needles. The palm trees are always dropping pollen. It's a lot.
So you know, we were talking about the gas-powered leaf blowers, the string trimmers. Sure, they work, but again, noisy.
Yeah.
They're not good for the environment, and we really want to protect our environment. They're certainly not great for your health, and unprotected ears, not good.
Yeah.
I'm usually inside when he's out here doing that
Yeah, it's pretty
work.
loud.
All right, well, from now on, you don't have to be inside anymore.
Okay.
She's going to be helping you out because
here we go.
This is my handy dandy. I love this.
Yeah?
This is the Greenworks blower.
Okay.
Look how light it is. Let's start there.
Here, you take it.
Yeah, I can
Hello?
do that.
I mean, I have a dress on. No big deal.
Exactly.
And the noise, are you ready?
Okay, let's
Look
do
at
it.
this.
Wow.
I can still talk to
I
you.
can still talk to
Can you hear me?
Yeah, it's
No
perfect.
big deal. And it works.
I love that.
I love it. There's so many tools that I use, but something that's really important, because I'm really into the environment, replacing a gas trimmer or blower with Greenworks is equivalent to not driving 33,000 miles annually.
Wow.
So you're really protecting the earth.
I love
yeah.
that.
Super cool.
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to see something else?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, this is my husband's favorite.
Okay.
He loves this power cleaner from Greenworks.
Yeah.
The same battery that we used for the blower. You just have to remove it, put it in here, and voila, you're
Wow.
ready to go.
Nice.
That's great.
Can that be the first thing we borrow this weekend?
Yes, you may. And another little point about this.
Yes.
All you have to do is connect. I know you know this. I'm just letting your wife know. You connect this, obviously, to the garden hose.
Right.
But you can also use this.
Okay.
Connect this right here, and guess
Wow.
what?
Can I just drop that in the pool?
And you use pool water.
Wow.
Perfect.
Isn't that great?
That's a savings.
Remember the battery I told you about? How fantastic it is?
Yeah.
I gotta show you what more we can do with it.
Okay.
You wanna see?
Yeah.
Let's go inside.
All right.
So,
With the world's largest 24-volt platform, one battery can power over 100 plus tools.
So you wanna see what else I brought?
Yes.
You're gonna love this, because you have hair, it sheds, right?
Yeah, everywhere.
Mine is all over the house. My girls, oh my gosh.
For sure.
So I'm constantly using the Greenworks stick vac. It's fantastic. Not only is it light, it works. But remember that battery?
Yeah.
Check this out.
Wow.
Ready to go. This is my life every day. Hair, air.
Those can be
Give it a
my
whirl.
life too.
Give it a whirl.
Love it.
Isn't that great?
yeah. That's great. We love that Greenworks has something for every aspect of our life.
There are actually so many other products you can look into. They have a robotic vacuum that does the job for you. And a lot of people think, Scott, that these tools aren't powerful, but you know, Greenworks is proving them wrong. They are good. They work just as well as anything else.
Great.
If not better.
Well, I guess we know what we need to order to get this house in shape.
I know it's on my list.
There are a wide range of products you can use indoors, from power tools like a drill or circular saw to on-the-go lifestyle products like fans and speakers. I'm telling you, just go to their website and you're going to find something you need and you're going to love it. What do you think?
Perfect. We got to order Greenworks.
For sure.
To find out more about how Greenworks delivers power and performance without the mess, toxic fumes, and noises, visit greenworkstools.com, and of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.